And Jeff, good luck to all those athletes taking part in the Northern Cross Country Championships in Sedgefield tomorrow.
Yeah, great. Well, they'll want to know what the weather forecast is. So, perfect time for Jen.
Thank you very much. The weather is looking fairly decent this weekend, actually, certainly in comparison to what we had. Now, I'm going to give you a full weather forecast, of course, but we're going to start by looking back to last night, because if you're in parts of the northeast, then you may have been woken up about 2 or 3 o'clock this morning with some intense rain and howling winds, and I want to show you what that was. So it was a cold front that was moving through. You can see that on the radar, this rain that moved through. If you look at this dark blue line, that's what we call line convection. So it's a spell of really intense winds within that cold front and some very, very heavy rain as well. Only usually lasts around 15 to 20 minutes. And thank goodness it's moved through now, but it certainly kept many of you awake last night. Today we've got lots of dry weather. So we had plenty of sunny spells, just a bit of cloud here across the Cumbrian Fells. And look at this sunshine in Bamborough earlier on. Absolutely glorious for this point in January. Now the weekend is going to be a bit of a mixture of those two pictures. There will be some sunny spells. It's going to be staying mostly dry, but quite a brisk wind blowing as well. Now this is how things look through the rest of this evening and overnight. We've got clear spells for a good chunk of the northeast, a lot of cloud pushing into Cumbria, and that might just give a little bit of light rain or drizzle as the night goes on. Temperatures overnight will be staying above freezing, around 3 to 7 degrees Celsius. Now it's going to be a fairly cloudy start tomorrow morning and quite a breezy start as well. We've got a brisk wind coming in from the southwest. As we head through the day though, that cloud is going to be breaking up. We'll see the sunshine, but that sunshine will turn a little bit hazy later on in the day. Temperatures through Saturday, 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. That's a little bit milder than it was today, but that wind is still quite strong, so it will just take the edge off those temperatures. Now through Saturday night and on towards Sunday, again we've got some clear spells, a bit of cloud here and there, nothing too much going on, nothing problematic at all. The wind will still be fairly brisk, and the temperature overnight Saturday into Sunday will be staying up at around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. So Sunday may be a chillier start. Not too bad though. There's going to be a lot more cloud on Sunday, and if anything the wind will be picking up a little bit more. Now the wind strength on Sunday is going to be nothing like the storms that we had earlier in the week, but it is going to be quite a blustery day. Some sunshine developing later on in the day on Sunday as well, and those temperatures a bit milder, 12 degrees Celsius. That's more than we would expect at this point in January, so a fairly mild feeling day, albeit a little bit windy. Let's have a look into the start of next week then. And we see a return of the weather fronts. It is going to be turning a little bit wetter and windier as we head through Monday into Tuesday and through the middle part of next week as well. So on Monday we are expecting some rain, not all the time. Temperatures a little bit cooler, and it looks like staying unsettled into Tuesday as well. Jeff.
Okay, Jen, thank you very much.